Hey everybody, so today we have the Sporeye 10 mode handheld shower head. Alright, so this shower head is a little bit larger, bigger than my hand actually. We also got a little bit of the plumber tape stuff, directions or what's in the box, and then we got our hose. Alright, so we are ready to test this shower head out. Super easy assembly. You can see you just screw it on, screw the hose on here, screw the hose on there. The other end, you'll have the larger piece here. If you have never done one of these, there is a button on the top where you can control. Let me go ahead and turn it on and then I'll show it to you. We'll see how much pressure it has and how well it works. So right off the bat, pressure's not bad. Oh, and this has got a jet sprayer. Look at that. That's got some power. You know, they say you can use that jet for cleaning. You sure can. That's got some power there. But let's take a look and see all the settings here. All the way off. So there you go. I mean, the pressure is pretty decent. I would say that typical settings, the one thing though that stands out is that jet. And that sucker's got some power. And there you go. If you're looking for a decent single head shower head that you could also double up as like a cleaning, you can use this to spray down and clean your bathroom with it and stuff. It's pretty cool. If you're looking for a shower head, this one does work pretty well. Great pressure.